I wanted to check all the lights before I heat shrink everything, but everything's working. Okay, we're gonna run the wiring for these lights, but first I gotta make a hole here so we can run the wires through. Okay. I guess since we're not putting the grommet in it, that's probably a big enough hole. Okay, let's hook up the truck and verify these wires are on. So it would have to be these three. There it is. So it's the green is taillights. Okay, green taillights. Brown. Nothing. Red. Red is left turn. Okay, can you guys see that? And brown is right turn. So, tail lights. So brown is right turn, red is left turn, green is tail lights. Let's put these connectors in here. I think we can run these in here. We're going to have to get some grommets of some sort later, I think. Or put some hose or something around it. Let's see how that works. Does it reach? Just barely, but that's probably good enough. Okay. That's plugged in. That's plugged in. Put these wires through the hole. Let's see here if we can get these in far enough. Yeah, that'll work. White. I think we're just going to hook up the white right there where those are. Let's see if it'll push through. Okay, I think they came out. Yeah, there we go. All right. Right there. Okay. Now, we know that brown is tail light. Okay, let's strip this back. Turn, so we've got that red exposed, so let's hook those up. Leave ourselves, I think, quite a bit of copper. This is good wire here. So what we're gonna do, we gotta expose this one. Exposed. Let's give this one a little more. We're going to use those heat shrink connectors that have the solder in them. That way we get a good connection. Okay. So that is left turn. What's the best way to do this? Let's wind these two together. Okay, I'm going to cut this one just a bit here. Cut the very end off here. And then we're going to twist these together. And then we're going to twist this one onto there. Let's see if that fits. It looks good. I think I'm gonna, what should we do? I guess we'll heat shrink them all at once, so let's leave that alone for now. And then we got, I think we said green was tail light, so let's check that, but let's cut this off. So let's put the yellow connector in here. Okay, then we'll twist these together. And then we'll put this one on there. There we go. Much better. Okay, so that's left. Oh, that's tail lights. This is a right turn. Put this inside here. And we'll put these together. And then we'll put this one over it. Slide the connector over it. Make sure the solder is over the copper. There we go, right there. And then we'll cut these. We'll leave them a little long, so we'll cut them right here. They knew what they were talking about. And let's hook up the red as a tail light. Let's see how that looks. It looks like a brake light to me. Yeah, that looks like a tail light. Yeah. So let's see here. Tail light is black. Let's just verify that one more time. That should be a brake light. Yeah. Okay. So red is brake light, black is tail light. Okay, you guys got that? Yeah, I like that. I wanted to check all the lights before I heat shrink everything, but everything's working. I got the flashers on, that means both sides are working. I guess let's isolate the turn signals to one side and the other. Let's do right turn. Yep, looks good, and I like those lights. Those lights are so bright, I thought I maybe had the tail lights hooked onto the brake lights, but they're just, you can tell when the turn signal comes on, they're even brighter. So they're actually really good lights. Okay, I don't think I got the footage of me heating these up, but you can see the solder connections came out pretty good. You can see the solder flowed well. You can see those came out pretty good. See? So, and then these here came out good. So now we just need to secure the wires, and we'll be good for trailer brakes. Okay, we're going to fasten this wire right along here, I think. We'll use these to fasten it. There's one. Two. I think that's good enough. This is a little loose, but I think we want it a little loose in case we need slack later. I think we're good. That should do it. So we have functioning lights up there, and then we have the ones on the back. Now I think the visibility on the trailer will be much better. So thanks for watching.